Hi there. Welcome back to Daily English from the News, the place for B2 to C1 English learners to grow their vocabulary. Each day, we pick one word from the latest headlines and learn how to use it naturally. Today's story is from BBC News, so let's jump right in. Today's headline is, Ukraine's European allies say peace talks must include Kyiv. Again, Ukraine's European allies say peace talks must include Kyiv. Today's word is allies. Pronunciation, allies. Say it with me, allies. It's a plural noun. The singular form is ally, spelled A-L-L-Y, pronounced ally. Say it with me, ally. An ally is a person, group, or country that has formally agreed to help and support another, especially in war, politics, or business. Allies means more than one ally. Common collocations include military allies, countries that support each other in defense. Close allies, partners with a very strong and trusting relationship. Wartime allies, partners who work together during a war. Example sentences. The two nations have been close allies for decades. They have supported each other for a very long time. During World War II, the Allies fought against the Axis powers. Here, allies refers to the United States, the United Kingdom, the Soviet Union, and others. We need to find new allies to support our environmental policies. The speaker means finding new supporters or partners. To summarize, allies means partners or friends who work together toward a common goal, especially in serious matters like war or politics. And that's it for today's word from Daily English from the News. If you're learning English at the B2 to C1 level, make sure to subscribe so you won't miss tomorrow's word. Leave a comment using today's word in your own sentence. I'd love to see what you come up with. Thanks for joining me, and see you next time.